Welcome to our video series exploring various use cases of our new and innovative solution, the Xiting Security Platform. In this video, I will demonstrate how the XSP access analysis works. Regulatory compliance is essential for any organization using SAP. Our XSP Access Analysis service helps you stay compliant by meeting all access and authorization requirements. It helps you remediate and mitigate risks by identifying and closing gaps in access controls early, automate monitoring and reporting to cut manual work, and ensure full transparency into all compliance activities. Key features of our end-to-end compliance service include cross-system SOD risk analysis, critical authorization rules, and an integrated mitigation framework. By consolidating user data across different systems, we create a global user. Using the cross-system rule set, we can then identify SOD conflicts that would remain hidden in a single system view. In our example, the consolidated user has the ability to maintain suppliers in S/4HANA and to create purchase orders in Ariba, a classic SOD conflict that only becomes visible through cross-system analysis. Upon accessing the Access Analysis module and opening the User Scans application, you can easily search for the desired user. In this example, the User V demo has been successfully created. Within the application, you have the flexibility to define the scan scope, user scope, and system scope as needed. Once all parameters are configured, the scan can be initiated. Upon completion of the scan, you will have the opportunity to examine the detected risks in detail, including their classifications and the specific findings associated with each, such as those originating from ABAP, Ariba, or other relevant sources. In S/4HANA, for example, we see that the user is authorized to post vendor invoices, while he can also approve service sheet entries in Ariba. Together, these activities create a cross-system SOD conflict that only becomes visible through consolidated analysis. Embrace the potential of the Xiting Security Platform, XSP, to support your business growth and cloud-first strategies. Harness the power of our cloud-based solution to adapt and expand your operations without the constraints of traditional on-premises solutions.